Hello everyone, this is a video about this cordless vacuum that is not recommended whatsoever. The brand name is Keromee. Make cleaning easy. I tell you why it's not recommendable. The price of this piece of toy is rather more a toy than a vacuum cleaner, and because the size, the way to clean it, and the suction power and the battery capacity and so on and so forth that we are going to get into it. The box is like so. It just says cordless vacuum, and this is the shape of it. I'm afraid we are not going to assemble it here. On my small table I tested it, and I'm afraid I am disappointed. And these are some cordless vacuums that is available on eBay or Amazon or somewhere of that sense, and they are not really good, so I do not recommend this whatsoever. And this one is the white one, and the model number BW116, and you see it has, I guess, different wattage or different strength. This is the basic one, and nothing it says here, just the address of website, and manufactured in China. And on the other side it just doesn't say anything whatsoever. So I open it just to show you what is inside. Let me get everything out of the box, and then I'm going to talk more. So this is everything that it was in the box. The user manual. I'm telling you, this is more like a toy than a useful, vacuum cleaner. And you can read this. These are precautions, and these are the parts. And it's 14.8 volts. BW116, and it says 120 watts cordless vacuum, and this is how it operates. It's not very complex. It says it has 4 batteries. I assume 18650 batteries, and then you can pause and read if you want. I explain to you everything shortly. That's it. So this is it. They have Facebook, Amazon, and then video of product problem solutions on YouTube. It comes with a brush head that is like this, and it's really flimsy, and this sort of sponge or brush is not going to last long whatsoever, and is going to fray pretty soon. Not bad, rollers, but these are cheap as well. And then that's it. So I'm going to put this aside. We have the long nozzle, crevice nozzle. That is not a bad quality, it's rigid. And then we have 2 pipes, hose, just to connect to this. One is from here and one is from there. And then we have a charger, and this charger you can read if you want, is 18 volts, 0.5 amps, 9 watts. That's it. We have a barrel jack here as well. It's very light. And then the item itself, it comes like so. I get this out of the way. This is the item itself. It has one light, and this is the bin, and then the way to empty this. That's one of the reasons that I'm telling you this is useless, because it requires you to twist and then pull and then get your hand dirty, get this filter out. I guess there is not much of dirt in here, but this one is full of dirt. When you're getting it out, where do you want to put it? You know, if you're OCD, you're not going to put it like that. You have to put it like this, you know, and then empty this like so, and then take this again and putting it back in. And putting it back in is not really easy. You have to push it all the way, and then these slots here, they have to correspond with these slots, and then twist anti-clockwise, and then you are in there. And then this is the noise. This is 1 and 2 and off. And it has one light here, and is very loud, I have to tell you. So, and it's white. I mean, I like white, considering my OCD. I like the white one. The tip of this is very small, so I guess for your car is not bad, but from the point of hygienic and cleaning it and then emptying it, and the price. Let's talk about the price. The price of this on eBay is £60, and I guess if you pay a little bit more, for instance £30 or even £40, you can buy a second-hand Dyson V6 with new battery and everything. V6 is one of the basic ones, and if you're lucky, you know, V8 is better, V7, V8, you can buy it second hand. So this is absolute waste of money and energy and time, so I never going to recommend this whatsoever. So avoid this by all means. This is a toy. If you want to buy a toy for your kids to just clean their rooms, why not? This is not bad, but definitely is not hygienic enough. You have to clean it yourself and then charging it yourself as well. Anyway, this video, I don't want to spend much of the time about them with this. Some people, they are selling this for even £70 or £75, and I'm afraid it's absolute rubbish. And you know, just a toy, not a very, very good item. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. OCD attack, sorry. I hope you enjoyed this video, and until my next video, take care of yourself and each other, and as always, don't buy cheap stuff.